Creating user stories in Trello is a great way to organize project tasks and break down larger features into actionable steps. User stories represent a feature or functionality from an end-user perspective, helping to ensure the project stays focused on user needs. Here's how to create user stories in Trello. Create a board and lists. Start by creating a Trello board for your project. Then set up lists based on different stages of the project, such as backlog, to-do, in progress, and done. Create a card for each user story. Under the backlog list, click on Add a card to create a new card. Name the card in the format of a user story, such as the following. For example, as a customer, I want to save my payment details so that I can check out faster. Add details. Open the card and add a description, acceptance criteria, or any additional details to clarify the user story. You can also add labels, checklists, and attachments for more context. Prioritize and assign. Move user stories between lists based on priority and assign them to team members for implementation.